Righto, here we go on our third rotation. Now, out of all the things that the boys wanted to know, they wanted to know how to add some blingy lights. So let's add some LED lights to our robot. We're going to start off with the first part. We need to, let's get rid of our Clawbot. And we're going to say that when button F up is pressed, what we want to do is we want to turn on some blingy lights. So let's set up some blingy lights. We're going to add a device. We're going to add touch LED. Let's put it on number 7. We'll put another one on because, you know, it doesn't really matter anymore. 2 is more is better. Isn't that right? Yes, more is better. So here we go. When our controller button F up is pressed, we are going to set our touch LED to some color. We're going to set our second one, which is number 8, to a different color. We are going to go with, I don't know, I like purple today, and I actually feel like we need to put a yellow on there as well. So now we can have purple and yellow. What we can also do is we can set them both to fade. I like one fading slow, one fading fast. That'll add a bit of ambience, or ambiance, if you want to go that way. And there we have it. We have added lights that are controlled by our controller. You press the button and out it comes. 1, 2, 3, 4, all done, no more. Have a good day.